So, let's say if we click recruitment card from the job applications column, we first see the applicant's details with three action buttons in the footer, which are reject, shortlist, or send job offer. We can also access recruitment notes and chats. So here in the chat section, the employers can now chat with the applicant directly through the recruitment card panel as long as the applicant has applied to the job posting. Yeah. Additionally, a new milestone feature has been integrated into this feature, which is the media and file storage. When we choose to shortlist the applicant, here, let's just shortlist this applicant here. This is, I believe this was the one. So here, when we choose to shortlist the applicant, we still see the applicant details, but are now given the option to schedule an interview. So to schedule an interview, we either navigate to the Recruit Interview tab or click this button here, the Schedule Interview button, and send an invite. So let's just test and send an invite. So when an applicant is given an invite, the recruitment card moves to the Schedule Interviews column. So now, instead of the applicant details being the default tab, we see the interview details first. When we send a job offer to an applicant, these applications are placed in the negotiations column here, where employers handle salary negotiations, contracts, and more.
As we shortlist this applicant, we can also then move to the next step of sending a job offer. We can set up the staff configuration here, which represents different policy details on their employment related to their documentation on employment laws and labor code here in wherever region this applicant may be found in or where the job is found in specifically. We can set up their job details, job title and job role here, specific to what kind of role this person might eventually function in. If they do accept, we can set up their schedule here as well. We can set it up as flexible for now. And then we'll also then be able to modify other stuff about the job offer role. We'll then be able to edit the specific onboarding configuration. So these are the steps that this applicant will be doing as they are onboarded into the platform, given that their employment is approved. We can set up the compensation here, set up different policies related to the holidays and the leaves and time incentives and payroll calculation details. They are all done on the third step here. So you'll see on the right side a summary panel of all those changes. And then here on the fourth step, we can set up their contract. So there are specific time-based details on the contract that can be set up here on the fourth step. There are some system templates we can sort of set up here so that the process of sending contracts is a bit streamlined and expedited based on contracts we'll be sending to a batch of people as well. You can add NDAs here as well as additional documentation for the applicant to sign if they do accept the job offer. And as we're finishing up, we see a summary here of the job offer details. We'll see everything that we set up so far in a helpful summary. And then the person who set this up has to acknowledge that they have done this and will take accountability for this onboarding process. And so they will be notified when the applicant comes in a bit. All right, so the job offer has been sent and the card has now moved from shortlisted to negotiation.
And when we click our recruitment card in this column, we see the job offer details, and below the offer tab, is the contract section where employers handle the contracts they have sent. Employers may also opt to edit the job offer, put it on hold, or cancel it. Overall, the redesign ensures that relevant information is easily accessible and well organized. Key details are prominently displayed on the recruitment cards, allowing users to quickly assess applicant status and relevant information. Um, this cohesive structure minimizes user confusion and enhances the overall user experience. The redesigned system aims to effectively streamline the recruitment process, making it more efficient and user-friendly.